All right, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. If you don't understand the question, you can ask me to repeat the question. Even you can ask me to clarify the question. Examiners can do that. Again, I tell you, speaking test is not your listening test. So if you don't understand the question, you can say, will you please elaborate the question? Sometimes they elaborate, otherwise they change the question, and that doesn't matter at all. So let's start. You're going to answer the questions. What's the weather like in your hometown? Now, one thing I would like to tell you, whenever they use the word like, what's the weather like in your hometown? I like the weather of my hometown very much. It is very good. What's the weather like? Like means what kind of weather? Like means here kind. Okay, you say like people who go to foreign countries, like something like that. Okay, so now what's the weather like in your hometown?
It is a semi-arid region. Most of the time it is hot, and but like 2 to 3 months it is winter season. In monsoon, it is like rainy days, so it's
All right, so
semi-arid.
just try to use a couple of extra words. What's the weather like? Well, the weather is extremely cold in winter and very hot in summer due to global warming. Weather has changed a lot.
Yeah.
Global warming, this, that. Examiner will say, wow, good. What's the weather like? Good weather. Very good weather. I like the weather. Weather is weather. Okay. So not like, I mean, you didn't say this, but you expand it. Just
Okay.
show the examiner that I know these words about weather. Topic is weather, and show the examiner that I know these 5, 6 words. That'll bring you good bench score. Now let's go on. Do you prefer cold weather or hot weather?
Well, I prefer cold weather because in hot weather I can't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable, and I feel laziness and lethargy. I can't complete my work comfortably. So to answer your question, I like cold weather.
Yeah, I like, and try to make it more intense. For example, I love cold weather. It's my most favorite. This thing is called intonation. If you use proper intonation, if you answer the questions excitedly, you will influence the examiner, and examiner is going to give you bench score. So try to speak excitedly, take interest. You know, some people, all right, ask me more questions, right? So be like that. Now let's go on. Do you prefer dry weather or wet weather?
Well, I prefer wet weather because dry weather is not so good for health also. Like you feel like a dryness in your skin and all that. It can cause skin issues. That's why I like wet weather.
All right, that's very good. Overall, your answers are fine for part 1. And if examiner says why, you answer, and examiner says why, it means your answer is short. And if examiner interrupts you and asks you the next question, it means your answer is long. So next time give medium sized answer. Okay? I mean, you should be sensitive. After 1 to 2 questions in actual speaking test, you will be fine. They will ask you first question, second, third, and then you understand what is it that examiner wants, right? Okay, thank you so much. Now we go on. It's your turn. The topic is social media. All right, not anti-social media, but social media. Do you use social media?
Well, yes, I use it. I use different applications of it, like Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube,
Okay,
WhatsApp.
you know what you're doing? You're giving me a shopping list. You know,
Okay.
eggs, bread, butter, this. This is what I call shopping list. In IELTS speaking, never give a shopping list to the examiner. You should say, first of all, I use Pinterest. I like it because of quotations and there is some very useful stuff for me. Secondly, I also use WhatsApp. Elaborate that. So whatever you want to say, if there are 4, 5 items, make 4, 5 sentences, separate sentences. And we call this thing signposting. First of all, secondly, finally, like this. Okay, this will be better. And when you're speaking, don't think too deeply. Look at the examiner as you are talking. That's fine, right? Okay, let's go on. Do you want to work in social media?
I found myself somewhere in YouTube, videos. Like I tried it recently to make some videos, and post there. So yes, I found something that I can contribute academically towards it. So I have just started my efforts towards YouTube.
All right. What's the name of your channel? You'll get promotion.
Academic Foundation.
Academic Foundation. If you want to see her, she's there. Okay. All right. That's good. So let's move on. Do you think social media is a waste of time for young people?
I think it's like priorities and the way one use it. One can use it for in a useful way, and for the definitely for the evil ways, and there are many evil ways, I think, more than the useful stuff present on the internet. So I think it's like priorities, and especially the check of the elders, the priorities of the elders who look over their kids, the youth.
Okay, now listen. The first thing is summarize your ideas. The
Okay.
second thing is practice these topics and try
Okay.
to speak fluently.
Right.
And the third thing is simplify your answer. In
Okay.
part one, they only need 4, 5, 6 sentences for the answer. So try to keep it short, simple, to the point, and speak fluently. That will be better.
Okay.
Right? All right. Thank you so much. All the best.